And talking about evolution and that kind of stuff, don't get sad because AI have its own language. So that's the reason we don't type prompts and we ask the AI to write the prompts for us. And it is because sometimes we don't have the exact words or the exact details or the exact things to say in the prompt. And the AI is going to make it really good and easier for you. So use it. It's going to be a change of mind and change of world, change of time, and a change of results if you start doing like that. Because really, just the AI, who is the best teacher for the AI? The AI. So that's it. Use it as the way it is. And when we're talking about video and that kind of stuff, you can have a really good result with AI, but it's not going to be the best. That's something that we know. And this is the human part. This is the important part when the human comes in, and it's that when you have a video and you want it to make it look good, you have to make so many things with the result that the AI gives you, because sometimes it is too long or is not good in every single specific moment. So you have to cut some parts or change or just work with it, because that's something we've learned. And it's probably with video, we're really, really good right now with the evolution of video, but we're not perfect. So like 90% of the time you have to work with the AI give you, and that's something really, really important. So if you want a video of how we edit our videos, that is something that we do too. And yes, and with video what we learn is you have to keep it simple. Don't try so many things. Don't try to, the model cannot jump and talk and skateboard at the same time. It's not going to work, or probably will, but not in the best way. So just keep it simple, natural movements. Don't gonna use like I don't know, drone camera, and then the man is gonna jump over the camera and then the skateboard is gonna do something crazy. That's not the way video with AI works. You have to keep it simple, like the video we're showing you in the screen right now. The things behind it's moving, the people is talking, the snake is moving, but you just don't ask for many, many things on video, because probably it's not going to give you the best result. And that is something that we've learned. I don't know if you have heard of Sedence, but Sedence is a video software engine that we use. And I want to show you the last video that we did with Sedence, which was crazy because you can now do this kind of videos in just one prompt. So many actions in just one prompt, but you can get a really good final result. This has no cuts, so it's good, but it's not crazy. So that's why it works. But for example, we did something for a beverage video. Nope, this one. Um, this one I wanted to show you. And supposedly this was a one prompt, one video of like 15 seconds and Sedence too, but it didn't work, so we have to edit it, because as I was telling you, AI is not going to give you the best result on video. You have to edit and you have to put magic on it.
The most important part in video, as Kat is saying, is keep it simple, because it could be amazing if you keep it simple but you give it life with the video editing. For example, if you want this cloud skill, if you use cloud and you want a really amazing skill for this type of video, this video was making with cloud. So if you want completely free this skill, please go to this video and comment that you want the skill. Is a completely free present we want to give you. But look, when we said keep simple the video, every time, as I said you, AI is evolving. So for example, in this case, the man is talking, he use his no verbal communication, the movement of the body, but are simple ideas. I mean, he is not talking, running, doing many actions at the time, because no, these are the type of videos students can give you. Look, giving just image and students today can give you a completely video. Obviously is not perfect, you have to make a AI editing changes for give the video live. For example, this is a campaign that is completely made with AI, but the thing that give it the magic is the video editing. So for video, as I told you, as we told you earlier, video can be amazing, but never forget the video editing, that is the human part that give the AI videos the life basically.
And well, as we were saying, the editing is really, really important. It's actually the I think I can say the 90% of the final video, because you have to cut, you have to control the pacing, you have to replace the original audio, because you have to do sound design, you have to connect the individual pieces, because sometimes AI confuses so many things on video doing. So you're gonna get so many videos wrong after you get it right, and that's normal. That's something actually happen to us really, really often nowadays. So yeah, this is something really, really important, because it gives every single thing of magic that you can have and grab from a video. It's from the editing, and that's the human part. And it's something that what we use, it's CapCut. It's a really good platform. It's not that um high on cost, and his interface is really good and really easy to learn. So that's what we do. Everything here is made with AI and CapCut. And as you can see, if it did not have the editing part, it would probably not be as good as you see it or attach it, or yeah.